Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with another Excel workflow. And in this workflow, we have to make this chart where we are plotting the matrices, um, paper versus digital with maybe the running month or running year or the late or the maximum number of month available, sorry, year available. Then we are stacking the charts and then we are plotting the paper only thing to see the trend of the paper, use of paper by year. So, and the y-axis is month, and this vertical axis, y-axis is not quantity, and x-axis is the name of the month. Now we have something different in here. This is showing only 2023 and 2022, and it's not showing the data for the 2022 at the bottom. But in our case, we have the data for 2024, 2023, and some data for 2022 as well. So I have modified the chart a little, but we are using the same exact formatting. So as you can see, the quantity is on the vertical axis. We can always add a quantity, the axis name. You can click on this plus axis, go to this arrow and click on the primary vertical. And here now you can double click, or you can always formulate it that's by something like quantity or something. So for that, what you need to do, just click on this box, then hit equal sign, and then click any cell you want to get the text from as a vertical axis name. So if I'll click on this N1 and hit enter, and I'll type in quantity, you will see that will be in here, and you can again click on it, make the size a bit larger. So this is, you can make the change, or you can always double click on it and make the change in the text directly by typing in anything in here. So whatever you will type, that will become in here. Similarly, for this title chart, you can click on it and press equal sign and then click any of the cells so that that cell's text can be used as the chart title. If not, you can always select this and enter your chart title here. Sorry, you don't need this equal sign, and hit enter, and the chart title is here. So I'll undo this again. Similarly, you can do for the x-axis as well. Okay, so now we have multiple years. So what I have done, I have added the month name with the year number. So you can see this is December 22, January 23, then Feb, March, April 23. This is all 23, and then it starts the 24. Here you can see the black is the digital usage, the green is paper usage, and orange line is for 2022 paper usage. You cannot see that because it's only one point in here. So it's not a line, it's just a point. Similarly, for the 2023, we have some trend. You can see the trend is here for the 2023 use of paper, and then the use of paper for 2024. I have added another series, which is series 6, you can call it. I'll show you what will happen. So once you will be adding a 2025 data, that will automatically get plotted in here. I don't think so you are going to do that on this year, maybe the next year too, but we can work on that in case needed. Currently, I'll focus on the data to be plotted in here. And this is the chart we are following. I'm following the color theme and the formatting as well. So how it is plotting, and if you will add more values to it, will it update or not? So let's try that. I hope you are satisfied with the formatting. The colors, you can always make the change. Click on the line, click outside, double click on the line, and here you will have the bucket to select the color, and here you can change the color. In case you want to make any changes in the color, you can always make that in here, and that is easy. If not, I'm always here to update the any further modification you should require. All right, so if I'm going to add another entry, what it's going to happen, I can see the data even in the reverse order, though it should be from starting from 2022 and it should end at the bottom 2024, but I have added another sheet which is plotting and the data. I'll relate this chart. So it's sorting the data, it's making all the required changes like the year plus month name, and the stacking of the data, and filtering the data, and dynamically plotting. That's all done on the plotting sheet in here. So let's try adding a new entry. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take an entry from the 2024 and place it at the bottom. Now you can see now this data is being random now. So you can enter any data in any place. So I'm going to add this as, you can see the last month is May 2024. And I'm going to add a June in here. If I enter the June in here, you should see the June data has been updated. And because I'm using the same value as month, May, so this is a straight line. Let me zoom out a little and show you again. So if I'll use the same values, and this time I'm going to add it for the month of maybe July, and you can see June and July are now updated. Let me do this one more time with the August. And you can see the line is getting updated, and any changes you will make in here, you can see I have just made some random values changing so that all right. So now you can see the values are changing and the chart is updating dynamically. Now I'm going to add 2025 data. So I'm going to copy this, paste in here, and I'm going to make this 2025 instead. Okay, so currently it's plotting up to 2024. Now I'm going to add the month for the 2025, sorry, for the year of 2025. And as you can see, as soon as I, let me undo this. So as soon as I added the 2025, you can see the labels are here for the 2025 paper only usage. And as this is a formula, anytime you are making a change on the sheet, it will get updated. So now it's showing the trend for the usage of the line for 2025, and this is the usage of um, digital, and this is for the paper. So these are random values. It's just to show you that if you are going to add another year or maybe another month or maybe another date, that will automatically represent in here. All right, so let me add the chart title again just to show you that how you can use it. So you can click on this plus button, click on the chart title, and you can always check the box. Chart title is here. You can click on it, hit equal sign, and select the cell from where you want to take this title in, and it is here. And then you can raise the size, make it bold, change the font, whatever. Similarly, for the axis, you can always add the axis and click outside. Now, let me narrow it down a little. Click on the title axis, and you can type in maybe quantity, and make it a bit larger, a bit bold. Similarly, for the x-axis, click on this box, click in here, select month to year. So this is the format in here. Click on the cell, make it bold, and that's it. And these are your legends. So this is how we are plotting this chart in here. If you don't want to have the axis, just like in the format, you can always click on it and delete. Click on it, delete, and you can always have the changes in here. Let me undo. Okay, so that is it. And I just showed you that if you are going to add any month or any new year, that's going to auto update. Yep, that is it from my side. Yeah, there is another thing. Okay, sorry. So we are not plotting. Oh yes, we are plotting for everything in here. If you want to plot only for the running year, like on this one is plotting 2023 paper and digital in the bars. whereas it's plotting the 2022 on the line, and it shows that this is January 2022, which is added into the 2023 value. Because if this chart, this bar is belonging to 2023 January, it should not plot 2023 point in here. So it means it's combining the 2022 and 2023 January in one January. So this is a bit weird thing, which should not happen. Otherwise, this doesn't make sense. Or maybe if this is how it is, it should be plotted. Please do let me know so that I won't divide those by month and year combination, because this is making sense. Otherwise, if you are combining all the Januaries in one value, I don't think so you are going to see the trend. You can only see the trends once you are plotting each and every month separately or for each year. And then you can see, okay, so initially it was declining, and then we started building up the pace for the usage of the digital thing. And it started from May 2023, and that it reached to its peak on December 23. And then after 2023, on the from February 2024, it started declining, and now the normal trend or the average is around 1000 value for the use of digital. This is how you can interpret. But if you will combine all the Januaries in one value, so you will have only 12 months in here, and that will only show the usage of or usage per every January instead of the trend. And that's not the right thing to show, maybe. So yep, that is it from my side. Please do let me know if you need any further assistance. We can always discuss the details in case should you require any changes. Looking forward for your review. Take care. Bye.